Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable dark theme for File Explorer in Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click Personalization. Click Colors. Check Dark. Dark theme is enabled in File Explorer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.